Okay. So we have this notion of, well, okay, this is great. Now let's talk a little bit about the memories. I've always complained about the memories being slower. So there's really, you're going to say, well, pipeline stages, that's neat. Suppose I have a memory that takes 10 cycles to actually, between when I give it the address and when I get back the data. And that's sort of the situation you're in now. Your memories are very slow compared to the, the nanosecond or half a nanosecond it takes to execute an instruction on your processor. And so the memories, will take 30 or 40 cycles to get back a value. And so you can say, well, I'll just add 30 or 40 pipeline stages. So we'll make the memory this giant pipeline system. And you can say, okay, but that means we'll spend all of our time stalling. This poor guy is stuck in the RF stage while we're waiting for the 40-stage memory to finally produce an answer in the write-back stage. And so we can bypass it. And you're sort of going, wow, bypassing really helped us there, didn't it? It was 40 cycles instead of 41 cycles. So, and so the idea here is that the long memory times are creating a bit of an issue. Well, we can start down the path of, for instance, adding a 5th pipeline stage here. Like so. Usually what really happens is that in the so-called memory stage here, the extra pipeline stage here, we're checking the caches. And then if the caches have a value for us, we write it back in the write-back stage. So I think of this memory system as being both caches and main memory. And in the case when we don't have the information we want in the cache, we're sort of stuck, and everybody has to sort of freeze until we can't go any further until the memory system completes. But if we have it in the cache, if we can check the cache, say, in this cycle, then in fact, we can bypass it from the write-back stage, and away we go. So this extra pipeline stage is really an accommodation for the cache, and we've just shown the memory system is a combination of cache and then something that takes almost forever.